Welcome to another episode of RevXS Customs Build and Show. Product of the month this month is our RevXS wheelie bars. These things have been selling like hotcakes. We've just recently got a new stock in, and we're also stocking some glass fibre and some silver carbon. So we can offer different colours and also more budget wheelie bars. So if you guys want to get one, check us out on our website at www.revxscustoms.com. Here we have Tommy's mostly 3D printed hot rod. He's taken a mix of parts from Thingiverse and designed some of his own parts to tie it all together. The front axle is from a 14th scale Tamiya truck along with the wheels. For a motor, he's running a Traxxas Titan 12 turn brushed motor, run through a transmission out of a Red Cat Gen 7, which is fed back to a 3D printed rear end. Doesn't seem to like the power too much, and he's planning on replacing it out with a Tamiya 14th scale truck rear end. Very cool to see people take various parts from the internet and make a cool rig out of it and really make it their own. Here we have a custom truck build from Small Kind Obsession. He calls this ride Bad Apple, which started out life as a Red Cat Lightning drift car, but also known as Honeymotor, HSP and Flying Fish in other parts of the world. He wanted to have a low budget car that he could have some fun with. He had an extra Proline 66 Chevy body, so figured he'd do something different. The obvious diamond in this build is the Blind V8, which is 3D printed by a Dark Dragon wing, with some slight mods to make the front end fit. The front end is from a pan car, which is chopped and lengthened to suit the wheelbase, which he required. And of course, he's removed the drive shaft in the front to make it a rear-wheel drive setup. The interior is a Proline Chevy interior and has also added an ESS1 sound kit to make some noise. The rims and tyres here are Proline Promoter drag wheels and tyres to get the look he was after. And he's also made a custom styrene front support and firewall. All the electrics are stock from the Red Cat chassis just to keep it cheap and simple. Another very cool ride, and I'm really hoping to see more from him in the future. And finally we have Stuart's 1/5 scale Primal top fuel drag car. He brought this car to Australia from the USA. Under the hood it has a Zenua 320 RC 4-volt motor, which is connected to a 2-speed gearbox. The exhaust is a custom unit from SH Customs in Germany. It runs BSR drag slicks on the rear. To date his best time is 2.56 seconds at 88.5 km per hour, which is run over 132 foot, which is a 10th scale quarter-mile track. Here's a picture of the car sitting on top of a standard Ford Focus. Gives you a bit of an idea of the scale of this car. It's definitely not a small car, and you can't just put them in the boot and take your family racing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page, RevXS Customs, and also our RevXS Customs build and show page where all of these rides are pulled from. If you guys want to get featured in this, get over into the Facebook page, post your rides, and if they're selected, you'll get a $10 store credit. Till the next video, have a good one.